this is Cho-Z from Beyblade XTS, and today we're going to be unboxing a Tornado Lacerta. And here's the very nice box, and it's an XTS tub. It's really nice. And I'm going to show you the back. The back just explains, like, what's it good for, like, it just explains what's a specialty. And now I'll open it. I'll get a Beyblade. Here's the Beyblade Tornado Lacerta. It's very nice. Got a spikes on it for the. I was about to go beside it. It's very nice. And now it's very nice Beyblade. And I'm gonna do test launch. It just been really nicely. It's a really nice Beyblade. I think the spikes kind of help it spin, kind of like wings. It's a really nice Beyblade. Please make sure you like this video, make your favorite, and share it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.